This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy Vusimax back with another one in the building. You understand what I'm saying? So go subscribe, like, comment, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. Follow your boy on Instagram at Vusimax_. The rest, it's only this account that I'm showing now. That's my only real account on Instagram. The rest are fake, so don't get scammed. You feel me? So let's go into it. So in today's video, we're gonna analyze NAS100 and US30. Right. This time I'm not gonna dedicate a whole video on either of them. I'm gonna just do one video with both of them, so we can check out what's up. So I was supposed to drop this video last night, but yeah, I couldn't, dog. The schedule was a little bit tense because I was filming the whole day for this channel. So I got some dope videos coming through. You're just gonna have to wait first. You understand? So yeah, we're gonna analyze NAS100 real quick. Let's see what's up. And it's so crazy because I always analyze this thing with y'all. So I just open and go to the daily time frame and I can already see what's going on. So okay, let's go into it. So we have this trend line. Okay, let's draw this trend line now. Let's see what's going on. So we got this trend line, you see. And one thing you need to be aware of is where this trend line started, anything before this trend line was an uptrend. So now this is actually where the downtrend is at. You understand? So I'm gonna put a line to show where the downtrend started. So anything before this point, it doesn't matter anymore because we just want to go with the trend that's currently at play, which is the downtrend. So you can also get a trend line at the top. If we just start with the highest, the peak of this chart, which is here. We can join it like so. All right, so we have our two channels right there, and I remember we used to have a secondary trend line here, which used to go like this, but as you can see, it's been violated now. So I'm gonna explain what this whole violation means. Now we enter for light mode now. You see, okay, so sharp. So this is the current structure. We have this trend line here, which is going like so, and then we have this trend line going like so, right? So this is our sort of descending channel setup, so to speak. So we had this zone here, this trend line here, which was being respected, right? But here we had a breakout, so it tells me that most likely our bias is from now on is gonna be upwards. So I'm gonna be looking to buy these things, you understand? So we can go to H4 and maybe look at the smaller time frames and see what we can say. But for the most part, the thing is, I'm always explaining this thing, Joe. Because I remember in the past videos I used to make, I'm sure this was like a year ago, I did say like some setups, they take a long time to play out. You can trade the same structure for like months even sometimes, because it just moves between two trend lines and forms smaller structures within smaller structures, and then you have to day trade those ones. But the overall picture that's on the daily will never lie to you as far as where this thing is going. You understand? So now we're gonna go to H4. We're gonna see what we can see from the H4. I'm just gonna do a little bit of an in-depth analysis with y'all today. You understand? But don't be getting used to this. Y'all need to like, comment, subscribe, because if y'all don't do that now, then I'm definitely not gonna keep this vibe coming. But y'all got the channel to 30K, man. It's too much. Understand? Go subscribe to my boy too. For Lucas, man, Lou, you already know the vibes. I'm gonna link his channel in the pinned comment. Go subscribe to him too, so because you're dropping analysis like both of us back to back. See, so we have this trend line here also, 1, 2, and then now a breakout. You see, so that's the thing now. That's why I'm saying the bias of this whole thing now, it looks like a buy. So the only hint I can give to y'all, but hey, you need to subscribe now. You need to subscribe to the lifetime thing. You understand? You need to subscribe to the lifetime mentorship. I'm gonna be sending more tips on how to successfully trade the structure. You understand? So go hop on the thing, lifetime forex signals. This channel is almost full. You feel me? And this is the last one we're doing. That's like the lifetime signals and mentorship thing. So as part of the mentorship, I'm gonna be sending out tips on how to trade such a market. You understand? So this thing is only 900 South African rands or $60 once off. You feel me? So yeah, if you wanna know more about how to trade this thing, then go there, because I'm gonna be immediately after this video, I'm sending another video to the private thing, to the private community. You feel me? Going into deeper details about how to trade this thing. So sharp. What are we doing now? What are we doing? What are you saying? So dog, basically this is the structure. All I can tell you is, like, you can wait for a retest of this trend line, right? You can, because like for you to enter now, let's go to the H1. Okay, in the H1 it seems we already had a retest. You understand? We already had a retest on the H1, but I can give you just one clue. Yeah, but I'm not gonna give you guys everything, but I'm gonna give you just one clue, enough to make you something this week. Okay, let's do it like this. So what you can do now, because we already broke out of there, you can wait for a retest of this area that I marked it, this zone. So this can be your buying zone, or like you can wait for NY session today, right? Because I'm gonna upload this now before NY session, which is 3:30. You can wait for NY session and wait for a retest day and then enter for a buy. You understand what I'm saying? So that's it for NAS100. I'm not gonna go to 15 minutes and what. Let's quickly check out. Oh, I've been analyzing US30.
I don't think he will come back again.
Is this nigga serious?
This old. Okay, my friends, my bad. This is US30. It's not NAS. Hey, but that's crazy. These structures look mad alike, bruh. Hey, these structures are crazy, though. But yeah, this is US30, my friends. You can see it's the Dow Jones Industrial. So let's go to NAS. Oh, I can't believe. Hey, the boy is not for. Yeah, you see, we already have the analysis on this thing also. So you see, like, the similarities between these two structures. Look at this one and look at this one. You see now that we're basically trading the very similar structures. They're very similar to each other, right? And the thing about this now is, like, with NAS100, as you can see, it's already been analyzed. So there's no need for me to even do any analysis, because like I said, one structure, you can trade one structure for like a long ass time. So let me just briefly explain what's going on with this one. Okay, sharp. So I'm gonna have to also watch the previous video I uploaded on this analysis, because I'm not gonna go that deep. So we have where you see this line. You know what this line means now? It means this is where our downtrend structure started. But this box that you're seeing there, it means that's we had a brief consolidation before we started with the downtrend. So we took the highest point, we formed our downtrend trend line, then we also formed the trend line at the bottom, and then we have this descending channel also. All right, but the thing is now on the H4. All right, let's go to the H4. The H4 in the building. So this is what's going on in the H4. We had a smaller structure within that structure, right, which was this trend line. We had another trend line in the middle of this whole zone. You see now, if I can just zoom out like this, you can see the whole movement. So sharp, with this zone also, this trend line. But the thing is, we did a rejection there, and then it came down to this trend line, which would have been a buy. It would have been a very nice buy, you understand? And then now we're breaking out of this zone. All right, we're breaking out of this trend line, right? But the thing is this now, if you can look at it from out of the box picture, you can see that this is kind of a range structure like this. You understand? This market is moving inside this box. It's not going anywhere. So most likely, I think we might get a sell at this area, at this resistance zone. I think we might get a sell. You understand? I think we might get a sell. And if we get a sell here, if not start selling, then don't buy on US30. Just wait to see how this one is going to react at this zone. Because if it sells and then you're buying that side, hey, something bad is going to happen to your account. So just wait to see how we react here. If we break out, then wait for a retest. And the retest is going to be... Hey, how can I rotate this thing now? Yeah, you see now. So the retest is gonna be there. Meaning this thing is gonna go up, come back down, and then retest, and then you can buy it. But if you start seeing a rejection there, then I think we're gonna go for a sell on NY session, right? So yeah, there's a lot of structures inside this structure, especially the NAS100 one, because there's trends within trends, and you know what I'm saying. But yeah, it's nothing new if you've been in the game and you have like a bit of market awareness. You understand? But yeah, these are some of the things I want to emphasize more on the not in the public Telegram, on our private private community. So if you don't want to miss out on that, man, like I said, I'm gonna show you this for the last time. All right, like I said, fam. Let me just remove this. Like I said, so this is what's going on. Supreme Traders lifetime signals and mentorship included. 900 South African rands, $60 once off. Dog, come on now. So if you want to know more about these methods and how to trade the structures within structures and stuff like that, hit us up or go join our public Telegram. All the information is right there, right? And I'm going to be sending all the analysis to the public Telegram anyways. So I'm going to see you guys that side. You feel me? So it's a way for to make. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.